Hi everyone, my name is Kristina. Today I'd like to share my experience of creating explainer videos in a clean, flat, minimalist style, like the style of animated explainers that you can see on this channel. I use Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Premiere Pro for my work. The whole process is divided into 4 parts: pre-production, illustration, animation, post-production. And today we will dive into pre-production, which does not require the use of any software. Pre-production is the stage at which ideas are formulated, reference pictures are found, and concepts being discussed with the client. A good understanding of what we want to create will guide us through the whole process and ensure the final video is balanced and logical, and also saves us a ton of time. I usually take the project from the place where the voiceover is ready, or if the video is text-driven and the voiceover will not be used, then the script is written. First, I listen to narration and divide the whole story into short fragments, so-called scenes, approximately 6 seconds each. If there is no voiceover yet, I read the text myself using stopwatch. There will always be sentences or even paragraphs that can't be split, otherwise the logic will be lost. In such cases, I leave them as they are, but mark them as long scenes that in the future will require more details to be illustrated and more movements to happen, so that such a scene is not boring to watch. Conversely, some scenes will be as short as 2-3 seconds, and I also mark them as short scenes that will need very clean illustrations and quick animation. As a result, I get an Excel document or a Google Sheet with the following columns: scene number, time code, duration, text, and the last 2 columns that are currently empty: illustrations and comments/concept. Here the brainstorm begins, as now we have to come up with a concept or idea for each scene. Each sentence usually has a key word, the most important word, and often we just need to visualize the word. For example, a house. Pretty simple, isn't it? But if the keyword is an adjective, verb, or something abstract, I usually make a list of associations. Let's try fast. A few quick associations that come to my mind are a car, a meteor, a comet, the wind, a stopwatch, a runner. You can continue this method for each of the words until you find a concept that fits perfectly. The second method is actually searching for image on the internet. Let's try fast icon or fast vector image and see what Google proposes. Rocket, cool! Often I save reference images and temporarily put them into my Excel plan. I also write a small comment on each scene so that the client can better understand what will happen. For example, a rocket takes off into space. Now we have a detailed conceptual plan of the video with the duration of the scenes, descriptions of the scenes, and reference images. Great job! We can move on to step number 2, illustrations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe if you're interested in this type of content. See you soon! Bye!